If you want to cash out crypto straight to PayPal, here's the fastest way to do it safely. Step 1. Pick an exchange that supports PayPal withdrawals. Coinbase, Binance, and Crypto.com all let you link PayPal directly. Step 2. Transfer the crypto you want to withdraw to the exchange. Don't try to send it directly from your wallet. PayPal only works through exchanges. Step 3. Sell your crypto for your local currency on the exchange. Make sure you double check fees before confirming. Some coins have higher withdrawal fees. Step 4. Link your PayPal account in the exchange settings and verify if it's you haven't already. Step 5. Withdraw the funds to PayPal. Usually it's instant, but sometimes it takes a few minutes depending on your bank verification. Bonus tip. Avoid shady P2P sites for PayPal crypto withdrawals. Stick to trusted exchanges. It's safer and faster. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.